or concerns with that? Because sometimes our fractions can be a little tricky. And understand before too, we talked about this a couple of weeks ago. When we talk about fractions, we're talking about the pieces that are in between the 0 and the 1. Okay? Between the 0 and the 1. That is what we're talking about. Here we go, folks. Once again, I want to start over here on this side right here, because on last week we talked about adding and subtracting of fractions with a common denominator. That is what our ultimate goal is to have a common denominator. As you can see right here, as long as the denominator is the same, okay? Common, okay? Common, the same, they are synonyms. Both of them are synonyms. And so what we do is we circle here, this is an 8, and that is an 8. And that's what we want to do. As long as our denominators are the same, we just either add or subtract. The thing I messed up earlier today in school is I put the wrong sign. So that's why I want to go back and make sure that you circle your sign. And I'm simply going to come here and put my 8. And I put a line because right now that line divides my numerator and my denominator. And so right now I add 5 plus 2, and that gives me 7. So that's all we're doing. Okay, as long as your denominators are the same, all you have to do is add the numerator. All right. For those that are watching and writing things down, very simple. I have 8/12 plus 3/12. Once again, what am I looking at? I'm looking at my denominators. I've circled my denominators. Both of my denominators are now the same. Both of my denominators are now the same. Since both of my denominators are the same, guess what I'm going to do? I'm just going to bring it down. And so now I have my top two numbers, which is called my numerators. I'm going to add my numerators, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11/12. Questions or concerns with that? Three ninths minus 1/9. When you add or subtract fractions, we're subtracting this time. You find the least common what denominator, okay? Now, what a common denominator simply means both the denominators in the problems in the fractions that you're subtracting the problem have to be the same. So I have a 9 and I have a 9. They are the same. Since they are both the same, guess what, folks? All we have to do is we can add or subtract. In this case, what have I circled? I've circled the subtraction sign. So I'm going to bring my 9 down. And 3 minus 1 leaves us with 2. So my final answer here is going to be 2/9. Questions or concerns?